Hi, this is from Dr. B. Vijay Kumar, HOD of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today we discuss the topic of fiber optic communication system. It's under the laser and fiber optics. That is a very important topic we discussed from this unit. The introduction to optical fiber communication system. The signal become communicated in one place to another places for using in a light. So the optical fiber, it's act a waveguide medium. We know that the optical fiber is made up of an insulating material, so it's not interfering outside of the signals. So we used in the signal at a proper way without any losses. That's why we used in that optical fiber. That is the advantages of optical fiber we used in a communication system. So the light is act in a carrier wave and the optical fiber is a waveguide medium. The optical fiber communication is a field of science and engineering that use optical fiber to transmitting informations. Then optical fiber is look like in a thin, highly flexible, transparent fibers. It's made up of silica or plastic like that. That we discussed in types of optical fiber, and it's look like in our human hair thickness. So it's a micrometer thickness. The principle to be acting that optical fiber is total internal reflections. The optical fiber is used by many telecommunication companies to transmit telephone signal, internet communication, and cable television signal. It is also used in a multitude of other industries, including medical, defense, government, for data transfer and storage. The assignment question to given my student one is now how optical fiber are used in a communication and what are the three parts of fiber optic communication system and what is the mean by optical communications. So this is a block diagram of the communication process. The one is an information source. It transfer the data from input of transducer, then it transmitter, then it can form of channel. The channels to produce some noises. The both will be collected from the receiver part. The receiver part to be executed in a output transducers. The final we get in a information of original signals. So this is a clear picture to be explained in how the signal become transmitting. The input is an analog signal. It moves from the transmitter block. The transmitter block is consists of three parts. So two parts. The one is in a coder and another one is in a light sources. The coder, it's analog to digital to be converted. The light sources, the digital to converted in light signals. So the light signal is easily transmitted in the communication medium, that is optical fiber, to the under the principle of total internal reflection. Then other side is a receiver block. The receiver block is consists of three devices. The one is in a shape circuit, amplifier and decoder. So the photo signal is received and it become amplitude, and shaper circuit to be received the certain frequency of the wave only to be allowed. Then it changed from the digital pulses, then decoder to converted in the finally in analog. So the input and output it form of the same signal of analog in a very low loss manners. So we discuss the parts wise. It's first one the transmitter. So it consists drive circuit and the light sources. So the light sources we used in LED or laser because it's only used in monochromatic lights to transmitting of the signal because it form the high intensity of lights. Then optical fiber mostly we used in glass fiber because it's a form of high refractive index mediums. The next one is in a receiver part. The receiver part is in a photo detector, amplifier, and the signal recorder. The photo detector is converted in optical to electrical. The amplifier it become increase the signal from an amplitude mode. Then electrical signals are decoded. The original electrical signal is obtained to the form of analog. So we get in the same information to the output of the receiver. So this is a very important process to the form of the optical fiber because optical fiber we use in whenever the signal become communicated for using in the carrier wave. The carrier wave is act as light. So when used of light, the signal become transmitted. So this all is a reference. I prepared the PPT of the optical fiber communication system. Thank you very much. We discussed another one topic in another one video. Thank you.